We want to get a photograph with the kids behind their award. It's called Steering the Future of the Creek Award.
That's so awesome.
A steering wheel on that table. And there's a story about that steering wheel that probably 20 years ago, it was stuck in the mud of Beargrass Creek. And so 1963, Volkswagen Bug stuck in the mud, and it was there for almost 25 years. And it was our destination, so we talked about how littered the creek was, and this is an example. There's just a car stuck in the mud. And so right by idea, one of Martha Neal Cook, if you don't know her, and MSD, we got together and pulled it out, and Craig Caviar chopped off the steering wheel, and we give it to a person each year, or a group. And so these guys here have created the class. Last year did the birds of Beargrass Creek. This year they're doing the trees of Beargrass Creek, and so it's just wonderful. It's just great to see these kids get actively involved in promoting our urban water and the biodiversity that is part of it. And so we just wanted to recognize the Creek class from Male High School and her teacher, Aunt Lucky.
Finished our book, but it's being published right now, and like the graphic design is all made.
Very good.
Should be done
project every year. Yeah.
About my story, Mr. Fisher is almost done with being mayor. You know, I think maybe 11 years ago, I was with Mayor Fisher, pre-Mayor Fisher, paddling in a canoe on Beargrass Creek. And so for the past 11 years, Mr. Fisher has been an advocate for the creek, for our water. He's been an advocate for engagement with the community. And so we just wanted to, you know, I'm looking forward to his comments.
First time?
Yeah, I've never been.
Are you all impressed?
Yes, yeah, beautiful.
After you guys finish college and law school, medical school, and get a boat that I can fit in, I live right around the corner. Just knock on my door and tell me to come over. But don't forget New Community. I'm wider than that. Okay, all right.
Have you guys close in a little bit? No, please. No, you're good. You're good. Everybody looking right here.
Number one here, please.
Okay, now follow me. Cool. I've got a lot of it is very good. I got it.
Sounds great. Thank you.
If you want to go, you can come with me.
Let us join our hands and hearts together, united by our common place of birth. We are the human family, sister, brother, and we celebrate the earth. The rich brown earth rolls beneath our feet. Mother Nature makes her sacred promise, and we feel the earth heartbeat. The cycle enfolds us, creation holds us in the heart of life's great mystery. And we're travelers all on this little blue ball.
And Wilderness Louisville. Today, we thank you all for being here, and thank you for being involved with Earth Day.
Ready to go.
3, 4. Let us join our hands and hearts together, united by our common place of birth. We are the human family, sister, brother, and we celebrate the earth. A clear blue sky unfolds above us. The rich brown earth rolls beneath our feet. Mother Nature makes her sacred promise, and we feel the earth heartbeat. Let us join our hands and hearts together, united by our common place of birth. We are the human family, sister, brother, and we celebrate the earth. The earth holds the tree, the leaves hold the sunshine, the limbs hold the wind holds the clouds fill the oceans when the raindrops pour, and the oceans are holding the shore. The sea and the shore, hand in hand, greet the dawning of life, footprints in the sand, from the very beginning to the place where we stand. We're drawing our life from the land. In its circular motion, the moon moves the ocean, gives us the notion of true harmony. The cycle enfolds us, creation holds us in the heart of life's great mystery. And we're travelers all on this little blue ball. Hear the sounds of the people, hear the wild birds call, hear the voices of creatures blending as one. Together we circle the sun. Gives us the notion of true harmony. The cycle enfolds us, creation holds us in the heart of life's great mystery. And we're travelers all on this little blue ball. Hear the sounds of the people, hear the wild birds call, hear the voices of creatures blending as one. Together we circle the sun. Together we circle the sun. Thank you all. Earth Day, forever, forever, and every day, Earth Day.